There is a specific kind of exhaustion that doesn't come from physical labor, but from the sheer weight of wearing a mask that has grown too heavy for your face. We often assume that inner emptiness looks like gray skies and tear-stained pillows, but more often than not, it looks like the brightest smile in the room. You know these people. Perhaps in the quietest moments of your day, you realize you are this person. They are the reliable colleague who always asks how you're doing, the friend who laughs the loudest at dinner parties, seemingly seamlessly integrated into the rhythm of life. Yet, if you caught them in that split second before the curtain rises, in the sanctuary of their car before walking into the office, or the moment the deadbolt clicks shut behind them at home, you might see the light instantly vanish from their eyes. This isn't merely faking it until you make it. It is a sophisticated psychological architecture, a survival strategy born from a deep-seated fear that one's true, messy, perhaps hollow self is fundamentally unlovable. In psychology, we might speak of high-functioning depression or dissociation, the creation of a false self designed to navigate a demanding world. But poetically, the smile becomes a shield, a perfectly constructed barrier that says, everything is fine here, keep moving, protecting an interior landscape where emotions have ceased to bloom. It's a profoundly lonely existence to be admired for a performance while starving for authentic connection. You become a ghost in your own life, haunting the beautiful house you built for everyone else to look at. The emptiness isn't necessarily sadness. Sometimes it's just absence, a vast, quiet echo chamber where joy should be reverberating. If this resonates in your own chest right now, I want you to know that the bravery isn't in the smiling. The bravery is in the moment you decide to gently lower the mask, even just an inch, and risk letting someone see the tired human reality beneath it. Because you don't have to perform your existence to be worthy of it. You just have to be here, whole or hollow, exactly as you are.